Assalamu alaikum. Are different subcaste of Muslim allowed in Islam?
So that's the question. Is different subcaste allowed in Islam? In Islam, there's no caste system. Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Isra, chapter number 17, verse number 70, وَلَقَدْ كَرَّمْنَا بَنِي Adam. Allah has honored all the children of Adam. Means all the children of Adam are equal in the sight of Allah. But Allah also says in Surah Hujurat, chapter number 49, verse number 13, Ya ayyuhan nasu inna khalaqnakum min zakrin wa unsa wa ja'alnakum shu'uban wa qaba'ila lita'arafu. Inna akramakum indallahi atqakum innallaha alimun khabir. O humankind, we have created you from a single pair of male and female and have divided you into nations and tribes so that you shall recognize each other, not that you shall despise each other. And the most honored in the sight of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the person who has taqwa. The only way one human being can be superior to the other human being is by taqwa, is by piety, is by righteousness, is by God consciousness. That is the only way. And our beloved Prophet Muhammad said that no Arab is superior to a non-Arab. Neither is a non-Arab superior to an Arab. No black man is superior to a white man. Neither a white man is superior to a black man except by virtue. So taqwa is the only criteria which can uplift one human being above the other. There is no caste system in Islam. Now you asked me a question that there are different groups that are there. You said this group, that group, or whatever group that is there. See, making sects in Islam is haram. Allah says in the Quran in Surah Al-Imran, chapter number 3, verse number 103, وَاتَسِمُوا بِحَبْلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا. Hold to the rope of Allah strongly and be not divided. That means we have to hold to the rope of Allah. The rope of Allah is the glorious Quran. We have to follow the glorious Quran and the authentic hadith of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and be not divided. Allah says in Surah Anam, chapter number 6, verse number 159, that if anyone makes sects in Islam, O Prophet, you have nothing to do with him. Allah will look after the affairs on the day of judgment. So there are many verses in the Quran which say that making sects in Islam is prohibited. So any sects in Islam is prohibited. You have to be united, following the Quran and the Sunnah. Making different organizations, making an organization, Islamic Center, Islamic Propagation Center, or so and so foundation, making an organization for a particular work is allowed. But that doesn't mean a person belonging to Islamic Propagation Center or to Islamic Research Foundation is a person more closer to Allah. No. The work you do makes you closer to Allah, ya taqwa. So making organizations, forming an organization, forming a Jamaat to do a particular work, whether it be in dawah, whether it be in education, whether it be in, that's the Quran, is no problem. But you can't make sects in Islam. So making an organization for a particular activity is no problem. But making sects and divisions in Islam, bifurcating Islam, in that this group is so and so better, closer, this style is right. The style is only Allah and His Rasul. One way, Islam is only one. There are no two divisions in Islam. Hope that answers the question.